In this video, we will learn about DataRaptors, or also called as DataMapper. What is DataRaptor? DataRaptors are nothing but socle or DML. As we know, in Apex, socles are used to extract data and DMLs are used to perform insertion updation operation. Similarly, in the OmniStudio, we can use DataRaptors for the same purpose. Like to extract data, we have DataRaptor Turbo Extract and DataRaptor Extract. To insert or update data, we have DataRaptor Load, and to transform data, we have DataRaptor Transform. Let's start learning these DRs one by one. First one is DataRaptor Turbo Extract. When we want to extract data from single Salesforce object or from its related object, we can use Turbo Extract. For example, extract contact details along with associated account where account ID is not null. For this purpose, we can write a socle like this: select ID, name, account ID, or whatever field we want to add, we can add here. From which object? Contact object. It means what? Single object. From the related object, we are trying to fetch account ID and condition is given. Now, similar to this socle, we can develop a DataRaptor Turbo Extract. Let me show you in the org. Switch to OmniStudio. Select OmniStudio DataMapper here. Click on the new button. Give some DataRaptor name, DataRaptor, to fetch contact details. Interface type will be Turbo Extract. Once you create DataRaptor, same as this socle, we can configure DataRaptor, like from which object we need to fetch data, contact. So in the option, select here a contact object. Extract output path. When this socle gets executed, the socle will return n number of records in one of the variable. So similar like this, when DataRaptor gets executed, it will give n number of records in one of the variable that we need to mention here as the output path. For example, contact list. What does filter says? In the example where account ID is not null, in the socle where account ID is not null, similarly here we can mention account ID is not equals to null or account ID is not blank. Which fields we want to display? ID, name, account ID. Those we can select here. For example, account ID, select here, move towards right. ID is already there. What we want? We want name. So select this, move towards right. So we selected ID, name, account ID from contact where account ID not equals to null. Move towards preview tab, click on execute. You will be able to see this number of records. Each record contain name, ID, account ID. All these records in the variable contact list which we provided as a extract output path. How many records are here? That you can see in the debug log. The socle gets executed and the query results found are 25. If we move towards this extract tab, here in the filter condition, it's recommended to use environment variable like account ID not equals to null. Here I have just provided single quotes, but it's recommended to use the environment variable like velocity dot null. Again try to see the output. We are getting the same output, 25 records. Second example, extract contact details along with associated account. Only one object, its related object where account ID not null and contact email is not null. So we need to add here two filter conditions. In DataRaptor Extract tab, here one filter condition already we have added, account ID is not null. Similarly, we can add one more condition. Click on this arrow. Here we do have some options and or, select and, What you want email should not be equals to null. So email not equals to, you can use single quotes like this, or we can use the environment variable. Go to the preview. Initially we were getting 25 records with one condition. Now let's see. Once we click on execute, we will be able to see same records, but records are reduced as per the filter condition we have provided. Then we can explore some more features in DataRaptors, like if you want to order the result. Now what is happening? In this n number of records, we are getting some fields where it's not in the specific order. If you can see this, it's neither in the ascending nor in the descending order. So how to make it in the order? Again, go here, select order by. Which field we want? We want name field to be in the proper sequence. You can observe the changes here. It should be in the ascending order. You can see the results. If you want in descending order, this name mention here, same as a circle, and see the results. Limit the number of output records. Now we are getting 22 records. Suppose if you want to show only 5 records, so you can say here limit, keep it in the ascending order. I want to show only 5 records. Go to the preview, execute. Number of records are 5. You can see here. Use of offset in DataRaptor. What is offset? The same we use in the circle, we can use the offset here as well. Let me delete this filter first, so that limit filter is deleted. Now as previous, we should be able to see 22 records in the specific sequence. Now to use offset means what? If I say offset 5, it means what? Skip the first 5 records and then give me the output. Let me show you simple example. Offset 2. It means what? Skip the first 2 records. Here these 2 records will be skipped. Now our output will start from this third record. Currently number of records are 22. Click on execute. First 2 records are skipped. Number of records are 20. So 2 records are reduced. So in this way you can explore here different options. If you want to delete the filter, you can delete filter. If you want to add or, you can use it. For example, if you want to add few more name fields here, you can just select here email, move towards right, go to the preview tab and execute it. You will be able to see it. This way you can develop DataRaptor Turbo Extract, and you can practice a different examples here. These are some basic interview questions that you can try. In the next video, we will learn 2 more real-time examples on DataRaptor Turbo Extract. Thank you for watching.